Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own ChatGPT account on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you would like to get ChatGPT for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down till you see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which is going to send you to Gamsgo. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years, and it's a platform that allows you to share your account with other people on the same password securely. I've been using it, so as you can see, when you click on purchase now, you can go to 3 months and you can get them for 70.5 euros rather than for 60. And then go to the promo code and write code GUMMY, which will give you an additional 5% off so you can get the best price possible. Now simply all you have to do is go to chatgpt.com or openai.com/chatgpt, and then from here you're going to go to try ChatGPT. Now from here it's going to send you to the main page where you can start using it, but if you would like to create your own account, then simply click on login. And then from here it's going to ask you for your login information, but you're going to click on create an account, so you're going to click on sign up. Now for create an account, you're going to paste in whatever address that you might have made, or you can use any of the additional platforms down below like Google, Microsoft, Apple, or your phone number. And then once you click on continue, you're going to set a new password, so you can create your own or let your phone make one for you. And then from here it's going to tell you to check your inbox, so add whatever code that you received to your email. Once you enter in the code, click on continue, and now it's going to tell us about you. So from here you're going to write your name and the year born, and then from here once you click on continue, it will redirect you to the main page where it might ask you for additional information such as why you're using the application. And from here, as you can see, you can select whatever, or you can click on other, and then from here you can click on next. Nice to meet you, here's a quick tour, and then once the tour finishes you can click on continue, and that's pretty much it. Now you have your own account. Now if you would like to get the subscription, all you have to do is go to the top left section, and then from here, as you can see, you can go to the coming tutorial and then go upgrade a plan. But as you can see, for the personal it's much more expensive. It's 23 euros per month rather than for 70.5 for 3 entire months. So thank you guys for watching, see you next time, bye bye.